Welcome class, welcome to class 10th. All in a Summer Day by Ray Douglas Bradbury. This is a beautiful story by Bradbury. This is a fiction type of story which is associated with the science fiction. What do you mean by fiction? As fiction means something imaginary. The story is taking place in a planet called Venus and it is an imaginary story. The author is taking the readers to the planet called Venus where a group of scientists and their family and their children are living in their planet, and there is one problem. There is suffering from these human beings. What was the problem? The problem is it will be continuously raining throughout 365 days. It will be continuously, its rain is non-stop the rain which used to have. But after 7 years, in a one day, for 1 hour, the sun will come out. That's the peculiarity of this Venus planet. So after continuous rain of 7 years, only one day, the sun will come out. So this is the day this story is going to happen. So this the first paragraph, the children are eagerly waiting for that day. The scientist has already predicted that this is a day which the sun is coming out. It's going to shine. So eagerly the students are waiting at the windows to have a look at the sun, because these students, they are 9 years old and they have been living in this planet from their birth onwards. Before, when they are 2 years, the sun has come out, but now they are 9 years. But during the time of 2 years, they are toddlers, they are so small, they could not feel and they could not remember what the sun is. So after 7 years, the sun, as I said you, after 7 years the sun will come only for 1 hour in a day. Only for 1 hour the sun will come out. So this is the day that the scientist has predicted the sun will come out. This is the time the story is taking place. This is the first paragraph. The author is making the readers to have the background of the story and then come to the story. Okay, so these students are eagerly waiting in the window side to see the sunshine. Now we will go to the story. All in Summer Day by Ray Douglas Bradbury. Ready, now, soon. Do the scientists really know? Will it happen today? Will it? So students are asking to each other, ready, all of you are ready to see the sun. This is a day the scientist has announced that the sun will be coming out. Look, see yourself. So the teacher is there in the class. So she is telling, see, look, be patient and look for the sunshine. The children press to each other like so many roses, so many weeds intermixed, peering out for a look at the hidden sun. So what was happening? The children was just impatient, and in order to see the sun, they were just like so many roses. Means different. Here it is so many roses, weeds intermixed is a symbolic representation of children by the author. So there are so many different variety of students, like not a same color or caste or creed. So many different varieties of students are there, and in order to see have a glance on the sunshine, they are eagerly waiting in the window side to see the sun. It's rained. So again it got upset because it started raining. It had been raining for, again the author gives the description about the rain that has been that has made destroyed to this planet, and what was the condition of the planet while it was raining. It had been raining for 7 years, thousands upon thousand days compounded and filled from one end to the other with the rain, with the drum and gush of water, with sweet crystal fall of shower and concussion of storms so heavy there were tidal waves come over the islands. So what do you mean by concussion? Concussion is a heavy blow or a sudden blow, and it is a medical term used by the doctors. Concussion means a sudden blot on our head. If a cricketer is having an attack from the ball, he is used to have a concussion, means a heavy block in the brain. So the author is using concussion. It's a sudden flow of sudden pressure of the rain has coming to the planet called Venus, and it is destroying everything, every trees, every plants, every animals, everything is under the water. So heavy, there were tidal waves come over it's like a tornado, it's like something volcano. It's just coming at that kind of speed it is having, and it is just crushing everything out. Thousands of forests had been crushed out under the rain, grown up 1,000 times to crushed again. So again it will crush out, again it will destroy, again it grown up. So this is the condition of the planet. And see the choice of the words that has been used by the author. You have to use the same kind of choice of words when you get the question from this paragraph itself. So be careful with the choice of words. And this was the way, and also marked on the drums and gush of water with sweet crystal fall of shower and all. Okay, and this was the way of life was forever on the planet Venus, and this was the schoolroom of children of rocket men and women who had come to reigning world to set up the civilization and live out their life. So this was the condition of the planet of Venus, and the group of scientists and their family had setting up the civilization here in order to start the civilization. They had been in this planet for 9 years. It's stopping. Yes. So the student said is the rain, it's been reducing, the intensity of rainfall is getting reduced. It's stopping. Margot here the author introduced our main character, the main protagonist of the story, that is Margot. Margot is the name of a girl, the main character in the story. The Margot stood apart from them, from these children who could ever remember a time when there wasn't rain. They were all 9 years old. And if there had been a day 7 years ago when the sun came out for an hour and showed its face and stunned world, they could not recall. So Margaret is a girl who has now just come from the planet called Earth, our planet, the mother planet, that is Earth. She has recently came to this Venus planet, so he knows how the sun will be, but other students, her friends, don't know how the sun it will be. So the author here says that the Margaret stood apart from them, means the Margaret is isolated by the other friends. Why? Because they are having jealous on her. They are having some anger, some kind of innocent jealousy on her. Why? Because Margaret know how the sun it will be, but other students, they don't know how the sun it will be, because in their 2 years the sun has come to this planet to show 1 hour its face, but they are not able to remember in the 2 years. The toddler child won't be able to remember anything, right? So now this is a time when the time is the people children can remember or memorize something, but this girl Margaret, she know how the sun will be, because she had come from the planet called Earth to Venus recently. Sometimes at night she heard them stir in remembrance, and she knew they were dreaming and remembering gold or yellow crayon or a coin large enough to buy the world with. So here Margaret is comparing, in his dream she saw sun, and she is comparing the sun with a yellow crayon, a coin large enough to buy the world with. So she is comparing the sun as a yellow crayon. See the words the author has used in order to compare the sun with. It is a metaphor, since comparison is used in the sentence. A sun is compared to a yellow crayon, a coin large enough to buy the world itself. She knew they thought they remembered a warmness like a blushing in the face, in the body, in the arm and legs, and trembling hands. So for her, sun is associated with warmness. For her, sun will be giving warmness to her face, body, arms and legs. So they knew they always awoke the tatting drum, but she was seeing everything in this dream, and suddenly he woke up. And again, what can she see? A continuous training. Tatting drum means the sound when the sun is when the rain is just pouring out into the drum, it will be producing some kind of sounds, no? That is tatting drum. The endless shakedown of clear bead necklaces upon the roof and the walk, the garden, the forest, and their dreams were gone. So her dreams were just shattered when she woke up from the sleep. She was just dreaming everything, like the sun is giving warmness to her face, body and everything. All day yesterday they had read in the class about the poem. So now coming to the class background, class situation. So yesterday they had read a poem regarding sun, about how like a lemon it was and how hot. So but everyone has in the class, teacher has asked them to write about the sun, because tomorrow they are going to see the sun lively. So they are eagerly waiting for the sun. So how like a lemon it was and how, and they had written small stories. So students, children, everyone has written stories about essays or poems about sun. I think the sun is a flower that blooms for just an hour. So this was the poem by Margaret. Margaret wrote, sun is like a flower that blooms for an hour. That blooms for an hour. That was Margaret's poem. Read in a quiet voice in the still classroom where the rain was falling. So Margaret was reading this poem when the rain was just it was just falling down very harshly. Oh, you didn't write that, protested one boy. So son of the boy just telling her, you are copied from somewhere. Okay, I'll stop it now. See you on next.